a rough day with the old hair. Hello everybody, hi again. It's pretty obvious by this point that I used up half the world's yarn quota. Can't lie to you, I thought I made more things in 2023. I've made quite a lot, but I thought I made more. But anyway, I wanted to give you a little what I crocheted and knitted in 2023. It's the whole shebang, you know, like I wish I could do that fluidly. I have made a lot of bikini tops this year. Was selling them, so I kind of got into a bit of a, you know, like manic bikini top making frenzy, and I kind of came up with this star design that I took forwards and did in so many different colors. These are so easy to make. I just think they're so cute, and I reckon you could do them in loads of different shapes. Like some you could have hearts. Something else I made a tutorial for is this, it's like a halter neck bandana style top, and then there's this star skirt which I saw on Pinterest, and so I made it in grey and black, and then I had a go at making it in pink and purple as well. I've still got both of them actually. I'm keeping the black and grey one, but I'm thinking of selling the pink and purple one, so let me know in the comments if you're interested in buying that, because I am like this close to selling it. There is a tutorial for this up on my page if you want to make one. It's honestly so easy because it's literally just granny squares. Bish bash bosh. I found this picture in my camera roll of these like flower things that I made, which are kind of cute. They're little flower coasters. I actually can't lie to you, I'd forgotten I'd made them and I don't know where they are. I also have like really got addicted to making balaclavas. I can't find my white and black one, which is the one that I'm keeping. I made this one for my mum, which I love the colour combination on this. And then I've made the purple one, which I'm going to be selling. One of them I'll sell, one of them I'll give to my mum. But I love them. Anyway, I had like a bit of a balaclava frenzy. Anyone would think I was like building up a little army of knitted bank robbers or something. This is a terrible, terrible picture. In a shop, I saw this green crochet top, and my friend really liked it, so I went home and I was like, hang on a second, I have this colour wool, and I made one for her. I was quite pleased with that actually, to be fair. I did a little experiment. It was also in a video actually. It's kind of half crochet, half like a mess. I made this like beaded top thing, which is cute and it's cool. Very impractical, and the beads did fall off all the time. But for a photo shoot or something, it could be like a little moment. I had a go at making this top, and I made a pair of shorts to go with it because I have a tattoo on my right hand side on my hip, and I was like, I want to have a pair of shorts that kind of shows off the tattoo. I didn't do it very well. I feel like I need to make the hole bigger to show off my tattoo, but like I've got the whole set. So I've got the top that opens up on one side and then the bottoms open up on one side, and it's just like I wore the shorts to a festival. For Christmas I got a knitting machine, so I've been making loads of like random bits and bobs on my knitting machine. Made a load of hats, and I've kind of come up with well, I say come up with, it was an accident, but it's cute. The concept of like this little flicked up edge, because initially I was making it so they'd turn up and be proper beanies, but I kind of like feeling like a tulip. But I'm gonna be selling this one. And then we have a green one. I feel like I have a good beanie shaped head. It's like kind of like a little fairy hat, to be honest. Makes me feel a bit like an olive. I'll also be selling this one. Everything I'm selling will be on Depop probably. And then another thing I made on my knitting machine are these leg warmers. They're kind of love it or hate it kind of thing. But I was experimenting with turning the yarn around different ways. I put mohair in it, so it kind of makes the yarn different colours. I need to cover up this bit of my tractor duvet with something purple. And then I spent ages and ages making this top. It's green and pink stripes. My favourite bit about this is that the stripes vary sizes. So I used a different size hook and did some half double crochets, some double crochets to kind of increase and decrease in places that needed it. I do need to somehow make the top a little bit elasticated because it does fall down throughout the day. It's kind of the risk you take when you wear something homemade. Ow, actually really hurt my throat. I need some suggestions on videos you want to see because I am kind of running low on ideas, if I'm completely honest with you, and I've only done 2 so far this year. So let me know in the comments, do we want to see crochet, do we want to see outfits? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.